Shot clock, 16 seconds. Martin on the rebound. Long inside to pass. Received by Manuel. 14 shot clock. Number 14 losing the ball, but there's no whistle. Foul number 19. That was your second personal foul. And third team foul, HMS. Sub-ref. Ventura will replace number 19. 2 shots for number 14, Ayalde. First throw, too strong. Second throw. Short rebound. Here's Cam Canilao. Ventura. Fourteen shot clock. 3 and a whistle.
Technical foul number 17 na.
Technical foul number 17. For taunting. Okay. Basket count. Pero may technical tayo.
Sub.
Mamaya siya. Magpumasok yung... Okay, sub-ref. Basket for the technical shot. Christian Bulawin to Manuel. Back to Martin. Shot clock 14. Martin drive and get a basket plus a foul on number 26 rather, Canilao. Bonus shot for Martin. Time out. HMS official score 15-8. 7-point lead. HMS. Back to the ball game. Time remaining 2 minutes and 10 seconds. First quarter. This is Ventura to Texon. Pass to Canilao. 14 shot clock. Number 18, over is the shot. Rebound, Bulawin to Manuel, to Martin. Number 30, Vintes. Rebound, Samson. Pass to Ventura. Ventura back to Samson. 1 minute 40. This comes Texon, dribbling the ball. Pass to Ventura. To number 18. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Canilao missed the shot. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 14, Ayalde. First personal foul and 13 foul, Kings Hospital. Shot clock 14. Texon on the rebound to Samson. Samson, guarded by Manuel. To Ventura. 10 to shoot. Nice pass. Under lead by Ventura to Texon. 17-8. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Rizka Manuel setting the play to Martin. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. Bulawin. Too strong. Rebound. Texon. 45 seconds. Texon straight to the basket. Too strong. Rebound. Canilao. Underneath. Blocked by Martin. Here's Cam Martin. Bring the ball pass to Manuel. Manuel drive. Blocked by Samson. Recover by Martin. And there's a whistle. Galing sa labas. Oras natin, 29 seconds. There's Manuel to number 30. 14 to shoot. Martin. Open for 3. Yes, sir! Martin for 3. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5. Canilao missed the shot. And end of the first quarter, official score 17-11, 6-point lead by HMS. Good run para sa Kings Hospital bago matapos ang ating first quarter. Nakatikit ng bahagya ito sa ating ball game. Okay, back to the ball game for second quarter. Yung mga bata po, okay. Here comes the second quarter. Number 8. And still, here's come number 0. Kundover. Brad, connect for 2. 19-11. Ano kasi nga pinito ni Nover? Sa Kenya. Here's come Manuel. Pass to Bulawin. To number 30. Martin slicing the middle to number 8. 40 to shoot. Connect for 2 for number 8 using the glass. Back to 6-point lead for HMS. Here's come number 0 bringing down the ball. Signaling the play. Pass to Ventura. Back to number 0. Taasan to Sekinya. And there's a foul. Number 8. First personal foul and first team foul. Kings Hospital. Shot clock 18. Taasan on the inbound. Looking someone to pass. The next zone. 14 shot clock. Sekinya for 3. Missed the shot. Almost. Rebound. Number 30. Here's got number 30 drive almost and getting a foul on number 0. Taasan, first personal foul and first team foul. HMS, 2 shots for number 30. First throw, connect for 1. Down to 5. Dalawa pa. Oh. Sabrep, dalawa. Basket 2 out of 2 for number 30. Score 19-15, down to 4 para sa HMS. Canilao on the inbound. Received by Taasan. Here's come Taasan, dribbling the ball, signaling the play for HMS. To Soteo, back to Taasan. 14 to shoot, Soteo. Open for 3, it's the shot, rebound on Martin. Here's come Martin, bringing down the ball. Pass to number 13, nice pass to Martin, misses the layup. Passive rebound, number 8, got a foul. Basket count, plus a foul on number 23. First personal foul on Extra. Second team foul, HMS, bonus shot. Completing the 3-point play, down to 1 for HMS. 18-19. Here's Taasan. Osoteo. Manilao. 14 shot clock, Manilao. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 7, Martin. I think, Martin, that was your second personal foul. Second team foul, Kings Hospital. Taasan on the inbound, shot clock 14. Osoteo. Back to number 0, Taasan, and steal by Manuel. Here's Manuel, passing ball for the lead. Manuel to Martin. Turn around, spin, losing the ball. Extra, pass to Ventura. Ventura, nice pass, and steal by Manuel. Here's Manuel, pass to number 30. Number 30 to Martin for the lead. Correct for 2 points, change favor. 20-19, 1-point lead, Kings Hospital. Extra, nice pass, underneath to Ventura. Back to Extra. Extra, the baseline, pass out from the corner. Osoteo, is the shot, rebound, number 8. Pass to Manuel. Manuel, relaxing the ball. Pass to Bolawin. Down to 14. And a whistle, offensive foul was called on number 8, illegal pick. Number 8, that was your second personal foul, 13 foul, Kings Hospital, 6 minutes and 38 seconds, second quarter. Here's Taasan, bringing down the ball, pass to Osoteo, to Canilao. And pass to the wrong man. Here's Manuel. To Martin. Martin drive. Is the shot. Massive rebound by Manuel. Correct for 2 points. Now leading by 3 for Kings Hospital. 22-19. Three for Ventura. Deadlock. And timeout requested by Kings Hospital. Our official score, deadlock, all 22. 6 minutes to be exact. Menom kayo? Ayos na naman. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, ito, maganda na ating laban. Tabla na tayo. Kanina, lamang na lamang itong HMS. Magandang pinapakita dito ng Kings Hospital sa pagbubukas ng ating second quarter. Ito, Martin, tumanggap ng bola. To Martin. Husay, nice pass to number 13, it is rebound by Ventura. To Osoteo. Osoteo, drive. This is the shot, rebound again. To Taasan, Taasan's reverse, almost. Rebound again. Osoteo. And almost steal. Timing for the ball, 10 to shoot. Osoteo to Ventura, fakes, pass! Basket count! Basket count was a foul number 14. Number 14, that was your second personal foul, entering penalty, Kings Hospital. Bonus shot for Ventura. Missing a shot. Okay. Early too soon. 5 minutes and 28 seconds. Official scores 22-24. 2-point lead. Rizka Martin receiving the ball. Martin dribbling the ball. Guarded by Canilao. Martin. Drive using the left hand. Connect for 2 points. Plus a foul. Basket count plus a foul number 15. Number 15, that was your first personal foul at 13 foul. HMS. Bonus shot for Martin. Completing the 3-point play for Martin. 25-24. 1-point lead. Kings Hospital. Here's come extra, setting the play. Go Osoteo, open for 3. Yes, sir! Osoteo for 3. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Manuel, low pass. And out of the bounds. Out of bounds, same ball. Martin, open for 3, too strong rebound by Canilao. Here's come Canilao dribbling the ball. Canilao, court, but there's a whistle. Foul on number 20, penalty. Two shots for Canilao. First throw, air ball. Second throw for Canilao. Basket, 1 out of 2 for Canilao, 25-28. Here's come Ayalde on the rebound, received by Manuel, back to Ayalde. Ayalde dribbling the ball to Martin, double team. Ayalde getting the ball. Ayalde drive. And there's some whistle, same ball. Ayalde on the inbound to Manuel. Manuel guarded by Osoteo. 14 to shoot. Manuel, what a nice spin! Uy, pinasa pa! Manuel, connect for 2. Muntik na doon para dito sa Kings Hospital. And here's now Osoteo waiting for his teammates. Pass to number 23, extra. 4 minutes. Extra, dribbling the ball to Osoteo. 14 to shoot. Next on to Osoteo. 7 to shoot. 5 and still 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Here's Manuel to Martin, reverse, connect for 2 points. Now leading by 1 for Kings Hospital. And another steal. Manuel open for 3, missed the shot, rebound, out of bounds. Timeout, HMS. Official scores 29-28. 3 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Oh. Okay, back to the ball game. HMS ball. Extra on the inbound, received by Osoteo, back to number 23. Here's come extra, back to Osoteo, to Canilao. Offensive foul was called on Canilao. Sabrep. Canilao, that was your second personal foul. Entering penalty, HMS Ayalde on the inbound. Franco, nice pass underneath to number 17. Missed the shot, rebound by Canilao. Pass to Ventura. 3 minutes. Ventura, back to Canilao. Back again to Ventura. Almost steal by Martin. Shot clock down to 15 seconds. Osoteo to Ventura. 14 to shoot. 10 to shoot. Osoteo, short rebound. Ball goes to number 20. Abu is still by number 19. Number 19. And that's the Texon to Osoteo. Osoteo, guarded by number 17. Osoteo to Ventura. Misses the shot. Rebound. Ball. Same ball. Sam. Okay. Esban will replace number 20. Osoteo on the inbound. Looking some of the pass to Ventura. 10 to shoot. Same ball, shot clock, 9 seconds. Ojoy. To Osoteo. 5 to shoot. Good ball. Ishka Esmad. To Husay. Back to Esmad. Connect for 2 points. 31-28. 3-point lead by King's Hospital rather. 1 minute and 40 seconds. Ventura to Osoteo. To Ojoy. Back to Ventura. Ventura. Too strong. Rebound. Ayalde. Pass to Martin. Is Martin diving for the ball. To Ayalde. Ayalde. Drive. Connect for 2 points. 33-28. 5-point lead by King's Hospital. Canilao. Drive. Timeout. For King's Hospital. Official score 33-30. 1 minute 8 seconds. Okay, both team, wala na kayong timeout sa ating second quarter. Okay, back to the ball game. Yung magsasab, pasok na kanina. Okay. Okay, 1 minute and 8 seconds to go para sa ating second quarter. Lamang ng tatlo, itong King's Hospital, 33-30. And Martin, turning the ball, guarded by Texon. 1 minute. And still by Ojoy. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 30, holding foul, penalty, 2 shots. Second personal foul on number 30. First personal foul. Correction. Texon misses the first shot. 54 seconds remaining. Second throw for Texon. 1 out of 2. 33-31, 54 seconds remaining. 50 seconds. And still by Osoteo to tie the game. Missed a shot. And out of bounds. 43 seconds remaining. Sabrep. 43 seconds remaining. Manuel receiving the ball. Back to Martin. Martin. Guarded by Texan and still. Pass to Osoteo. Osoteo drive. And getting a foul. Basket count plus a foul on number 1. Lagging foul. Second personal foul on Manuel. Bonus shot for Osoteo. Score is tied to 33. Completing the 3-point play. 33-34, 29 seconds. Martin bringing down the ball and out of balance to Esmad. Nice pass to number 9. Missed the shot. 15 seconds. Osoteo. Connect for 2. 10 seconds. Time is running. 5. Okay, end of the second quarter. Score 33-36. 3-point lead by HMS. Okay, back to the ball game. White ball. Third quarter. Okay, Ojoy on the inbound, received by Ventura. Ventura setting the play. Pass to Osoteo. 14 shot clock. To Canilao. Reverse. Almost. Rebound by Martin. Martin. Shooting the ball. Pass to Manuel. Manuel. Blocked by Ojoy. Same ball. Warning on Ventura. Resentment call. Ayalde on the inbound to Manuel. Manuel pull up jumper. Good for 2 for Manuel. 35-36. 1-point lead by HMS. Ventura to Osoteo. Texon. Back to Ventura. To Osoteo. Osoteo. 3 points. 35-39. 4-point lead by HMS. There's Gambulawin. And a steal by Ventura. Ventura to Canilao. To Osoteo. Libreng-libre sa 3! With this, rebound out of bounds. Last dance on Ayalde. 8 minutes and 30 seconds. Here's Gab Ojoy on the inbound. Let's go. Osoteo. And almost steal. Wanting to shoot. 10 to shoot. Nice move. Follow by Canilao. Migas na shot. Rebound by Bulawin. Pass to Martin to number 30. Connect for 2 points. 37-39. Here's Gab Texon bringing the ball. Pass to Soteo. Soteo. To Canilao. Canilao. 10 to shoot. Osoteo! 3 points! Back-to-back 3 for Osoteo. 37 to 42. Back to 5-4 lead for HMS. Here's now Canilao, diving for the ball. Again, Osoteo. Speed move! And there's a whistle. Foul on number 30. Second personal foul on Franco. Sabrep. First team foul, King's Hospital. Ano sinasabi, ma'am siya? Become Ojoy on the rebound to Canilao. Canilao guarded by Ayalde. Too strong for the pass. Rebound. 10 to shoot. Di tumama ng ring. Doon sa Teo. Sinipat ng maayos. Ojoy on the offensive rebound. Connect for 2 points using the glass. 37-44. Unti-unti na naman lumalayo dito ang HMS. Lamang na 7. 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Ayalde to Martin. Martin, nasundutan ang bola sa likod. Na-recover. Martin pa rin. Umatras sa 3 kay Manuel. 14 shot clock. Manuel too strong. Passive rebound number 30. 10 to shoot. Ayalde. Out of bounds. Ay. Sir, pag-iano ko na lang dito, sir. Pag-kalkal ako dito, sir. Yung may bag na ano dyan, sir. Ayan, yan. Yung kit. Sir, usog na lang ako konti sa ano. Yan. Okay, here's Chicago Joy on the inbound to Texon. Texon. Short rebound, Franco to Husay. Here's Husay. To Martin, blocked by Canilao. Here's Cam, and still Husay to number 30, nice fake pass, and there's a call. Foul on number 26, Canilao. Timeout, HMS. Canilao, that was your first personal foul. 26. 96. 96 pala man siya. First personal foul on jersey number 96. Ito, HMS. Okay, back to the ball game. Okay, 2 shots will be awarded for number 30. Franco. Franco ba yan? First throw, no basket. Official score is 37-44. Dalawa pa? Okay, another 2. 2 more shots. Still missed for Franco. Last throw. Basket. Texon on the inbound. Here's Cabojoy to Samson. Samson. Pass out to Texon. 14 to shoot. Texon drive. And there's a whistle. Foul on number 8. Third personal foul on number 8 is Mad. Second team foul, King's Hospital. Texon, first throw, correct for 1. 38-45. Second throw, basket, 2 out of 2 for Texon. Esmad on the rebound to Manuel. Back again to Esmad. Franco, what a nice move, drive, almost not getting a foul. Number 96, that was your second personal foul. And second team foul, HMS, 2 shots for Franco. First row, correct for 1. Second row. Too strong, rebound on Texon. To Samson. Samson bringing down the ball. Pass to Osoteo. Osoteo back to Samson. To Texon. Nice pass to Samson. Too strong. Rebound Martin, but there's a foul. Number 19 on Ojoy. That was your third personal foul. Third team foul, HMS. Tatlo na yun, no? 19. Ng ano? HMS. Martin. To Esmad. Esmad, turn around. Missed the shot. Rebound by Samson. Almost. Osoteo. Osoteo dribbling the ball. Osoteo, nice pass underneath to extra. Rebound. Here's ka Manuel. Martin to Franco. Pull-up jumper using the glass. Miss. Rebound number 21. Here's ka number 96 to Osoteo. Drive. Hang time. Move. Rebound. Manuel. Goes to number 17 to Franco. Franco. Pull-up jumper. Yes sir. Connect for 2 points. 41-46, down to 5 for HMS. 3 minutes 15. Wala pa tayong dead ball, sir. Texon to Samson to Ojoy. Osoteo. Back to Ojoy. Nice pass to number 96. Connect for 2 points. What a nice pass coming from number 19, Ojoy. And Sige, pasok na yung magsasab. Yung mga bata po, hawakan po muna natin. Wag po natin hayaan maglaro muna. Baka matamahan po sila dyan. Sige, pasok. Paghihawakan na lang po muna. Okay, Franco on the rebound to Manuel. 2 minutes 50 seconds. Shot clock down to 14. Manuel. 10 to shoot. Steal. Ojoy. Scam. Canilao. Straight to the basket. Correct for 2. 41 to 50. 9-point lead for HMS. Martin. 2 minutes 30 seconds. Martin. Drive. Connect for 2 points. 43 to 50. Osoteo. Guarded by Husay. Osoteo. Too strong. Rebound goes to Canilao. Canilao. And there's always a foul given by number 1, Manuel. That was your third personal foul, the third team foul, Kings Hospital. There's Cam Ojoy on the rebound. To Canilao. To Ventura. Ojoy, nice pass to Canilao. Fakes 10 to shoot. Canilao misses the shot. Rebound again. Is Manuel still the ball. Manuel. Nice pass to Martin. Connect for 2 points. 45-50. 5-point lead. HMS. 4-0 run for Kings Hospital. 1 minute 45. Here's Ventura signaling the play. Pass to Texon. Texon, pass to Osoteo. Back to Texon. Texon losing the ball. And intercepted by Ayate, but recovered by Texon. To Osoteo. Osoteo, and still Martin to Ayate. And recovered by Osoteo. Osoteo, 3 points.
45-53, back to 8-point lead by HMS. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Here's Manuel. Manuel guarded by Ventura. Pass to Martin. Martin. 14 to shoot. Martin drive, too strong. Rebound. And getting a foul and basket count.
Basket count, foul on number 8, Texon. Okay, bonus shot for Husay with this. Rebound Ventura. 45 seconds. Here's Ventura bringing down the ball. 40 seconds. Texon. 14 shot clock. Ventura drive. Missed the shot. Rebound Martin. 30 seconds. Martin to Franco. Franco straight to the basket. Connect for 2 points. 49-53. 20 seconds remaining. No more shot clock. Ojoy. Pass to Canilao. 15 seconds. Canilao guarded by Manuel. Canilao turn around. Losing the ball. 10 seconds. Canilao block from behind. Lane ball. 4.7 seconds remaining. Ayalde on the inbound to Manuel. Manuel picks. Pass. Almost. Official scores 49-53. 4-point lead by the defending champion. Ha? Okay, back to the ball game for our final quarter. Okay, our next game of our semifinals, the American Hospital versus Neurospinal. American ba? O next game? Neurospinal ito eh. Yung sila papaano. Okay, here's come fourth quarter. Okay, Martin down the ball, receiving number 8. Back to Martin. Martin guarded by Texon. Martin, and there's a whistle. Foul on number 19. Ojoy, that was your 4th personal foul. First team foul, HMS. Warning on number 19. Here's come Martin on the rebound. Shot clock exactly 14. Husay to Manuel. 10 to shoot. Husay. Missed the shot. Rebound by Texon. To Soteo. Pass to Ventura. Ventura dribbling the ball. To Texon. 14 shot clock. Same ball. Shot clock 13 seconds. Sydney, Ojoy, Osoteo, 3 points! 49-56, 7-point lead by HMS. Here's Bulawin, pass to Manuel. Manuel to Husay. Husay dribbling the ball to Bulawin. Open for 3, short. Rebound, saved by Martin. Another 14. Bulawin to Manuel.
Manuel to Esman. In and out. Rebound out of bounds. Same ball. 14 shot clock. Esman on the inbound. To Manuel. Pull-up jumper. Short rebound. Texon. To Ojoy. Nice pass underneath to Oseteo. Connect for 2 points. 49-58. 9-point lead by HMS. Next net ball tayo, sir. Dapat report kayo dito. Hindi naman pwede sumisigaw doon eh. And steal by Texon. And recover by Manuel. Manuel dribbling the ball. Manuel lays up short. Rebound, Martin. Martin pass and there's a whistle. Foul on number 26, Canilao. Timeout. Kings Hospital. Canilao, that was your third personal foul and second team foul, HMS. Officially score 49-58. 9-point lead by HMS. Ha? Oh, ito. May dalawa pa sila niyan, di ba? Tapos ito, tig-dalawa. Okay, back to the ball game. 2 shots for Martin. Okay, here's Martin taking 2 shots. First throw. No basket. Second throw. Too strong. And another one. One more shot. Wait for the ball to release. And still misses for Martin. Here's Ventura. Slowly bringing down the ball. 14 shot clock. And a whistle. Offensive foul was called. Number 15, Ventura. Nice call by our referee. Kitang-kita yun. Second personal foul on Ventura. 13 foul, HMS. Manuel. Pass to Esman. To Bulawin. To Manuel. Manuel. 14 shot clock. And another whistle. Foul on number 13. 8 rather on Texon. Entering penalty. Second personal foul on Texon. Here's come Esmad on the inbound to Manuel. Manuel! Lucky balls for 3! 52-58! Down to 6-point lead for HMS. 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining. Here's Ventura dribbling the ball. Guarded by Husay. Ventura straight to the basket. Too strong. Rebound. Here's Husay to Manuel. Manuel reverse. Block. Martin. Oh, losing the ball. Here's Texon. And a foul given by number 5, Bulawin. Sub. First personal foul on number 5. First team foul, Kings Hospital. And Texon on the inbound. To Osoteo. Osoteo dribbling the ball. Guarded by Franco. Shot clock down to 14. Osoteo almost losing the ball. Down to 10. Osoteo, 4 shot. 5 to shoot. Texon, teardrop, still strong. And there's a whistle. sa Bellalos. Okay, shot clock violation. Score 52-58, 6-4 lead by HMS. 6 minutes and 14 seconds for our final quarter. Dalawa. Both team, 2 timeout each.
Here's Manuel, dribbling the ball. Guarded by Canilao. Manuel, still dribbling. Shot clock 14, pass to Martin. To his man, turn around, pass. Good night for 2 points. Down to 4 for HMS, 54-58. Ventura, pass to Canilao. Canilao bringing down the ball. Canilao. Oh, diving for the ball. Out of bounds, same ball. Shot clock 15 seconds. Okay, still a long way for our fourth quarter.
Dalawa. Both team, 2 timeout each. Ventura.
This guy was Soteo. Shot clock 14.
Down to 10. Soteo! In and out! Here's Martin to cutting the lead. Ito, may chance ang makadikit pa lalo. Martin, binigay kay Manuel.
Manuel.
Using the left hand, in and out! Here's Soteo. Rebound. Pass to Canilao. Easy 2 points. 54-60. Back to 6-point lead. HMS, 4 minutes and 55 seconds.
Here's Martin, guarded by Texon. Martin asking for a pick.
And there's almost still Canilao to Texon. Texon to Soteo. Almost, but getting a foul. Foul on number 30, Franco. Franco, that was a 3rd personal foul. And 2nd team foul, Kings Hospital. 4 minutes and 37. Haba pa yung ating oras. 6 labang ang hinahabol ng Kings Hospital. Unang tira para kay Soteo. Pasok. Anik sa 7. Pangalawang tira. In and out! Basic rebound. Ojoy Mintes! Rebound! Soteo! Pero may foul. Number 1, Manuel ang tinawagan. Manuel, that was your 4th personal foul. Warning. 13 foul, Kings Hospital. Okay, 13 foul pa lamang. Wala pa tayo sa penalty. Okay, sa ilalim ang pat. Sa ilalim. Okay, Ojoy on the inbound. Soteo! Short. Basic rebound again for Texon. Soteo. 10 to shoot. 5. And what a nice play! Di lamang pumasok. Foul on number 1, Manuel. That was your last and final foul. Graduate. Both teams are entering penalty. 2 shots for number 26, Canilao. First throw. Missed the shot. Second throw. Mintes pa din. Rebound out of bounds. White ball. 4 minutes, 12 seconds. Esnado na inbound. To Martin. Martin ngayon nagbaba ng bola para sa Kings Hospital. Guarded by Texon. 4 minutes. Martin. 14 shot clock. Martin. Almost. Big rebound by Canilao. And same ball.
Canilao on the rebound to Ventura. Here's Cam Canilao bringing down the ball. 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Pass to Soteo. Shot clock 14. 10 to shoot, and there's a whistle. Foul on number 30. Penalty. Sabref. Number 30, Franco. That was your fourth personal foul. Warning. 2 shots to be awarded for number 17, Osoteo. First throw, basket. 54-62. 8-point lead. Second throw. Missed the shot. Rebound! Oh joy! Walang na-rebound doon. 10 to shoot. Five. Out of bounds. 3 minutes and 12 seconds remaining. Bulawin on the rebound to Martin. Martin, pass to Ayalde. Ayalde dribbling the ball. 14 shot clock. 3 minutes. And still, here's Cam Osoteo. 2-on-1 to Ojoy. Connect for 2. Timeout! Kings Hospital. Score 54-64. Lead up to 10. Okay, back to the ball game. Two minutes and 48 to go para sa ating fourth quarter. Here's Martin dribbling the ball. Guarded by Texon. 14 shot clock. Ayale, connect for 2. 56-64, 2 minutes, 30 seconds. Shot clock. 10. Kanila pull-ups, in and out. Rebound. Texon. Ayan. Texon. 14. 10 to shoot. Last 2 minutes. 5. Shot clock violation. 1 minute 49 seconds remaining. Ayarde, on the foul to Martin. Ay, sayang naman. Pagkakataon pa yun, no? Sayang. Pwede pa sana. Ventura on the rebound. Osoteo. 1 minute 40 seconds. 14 shot clock. 10 to shoot. 5. Still. Here's Cam Franco. Block by Osoteo from behind. Nahabol pa talaga yun. Sayang. Okay. Still white ball. Franco on the rebound. Ayane missed the shot. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Basket. Ventura. 14 shot clock. 1 minute. And a foul given by number 8. Timeout. Inuna yun eh. Timeout. White. Una nag-timeout ng White.
Timeout.
Okay. White. No more timeout. 1 minute to be exact. Back to the ball game. 1 minute to go. Okay, mukhang papasok na naman sa finals dito ang ating pero tingnan natin, mahaba pa naman. May 1 minuto pa, baka may milagro. Unang tira para kay Ventura. Mintis. Mahaba pa yan. Pangalawang tira, wala pa rin. Ito, Martin. 55 seconds. Number 30. Blanco, wala pa rin. Rebound kanila. 50 seconds. Sayang kung pumasok yun, makasakali. 45. Ventura. Kanilaw. 3 points. Ayan, dinagdagan pa yung kalamangan.
Ilan po si Canilaw sa kanila Osteo?
Sa kayo marami.
Bilangin mo naman. Let's go, Martin. 30 seconds. Martin is the shot. Okay, 23 seconds remaining. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Okay, congratulations, HMS. Pasok na naman para sa ating finals.